introduce the impossibly thin iPhone Air. At 5.6 millimeters, it's the thinnest iPhone we've ever made. And it's also exceptionally light. It's unlike anything you've ever held before, and it's packed with our most advanced features. The gorgeous 6.5-inch display is our best, featuring ProMotion up to 120 Hz, always on, and 3,000 nits of peak brightness. And it's protected by the new Ceramic Shield 2, with improved anti-reflection and 3 times better scratch resistance than our previous Ceramic Shield. We're also bringing Ceramic Shield to the back of iPhone for the very first time. It's 4 times more resistant to cracks than our previous back glass. It also protects the new plateau that now houses major internal components at the top of iPhone. The inside was precision milled for more space, creating room for the rear camera, front camera, speaker, and even Apple Silicon. The frame of iPhone Air is made of titanium. This is an essential material choice for such a thin design, and enables it to exceed our stringent bend strength requirements. Altogether, these materials make iPhone Air more durable than any previous iPhone. We're also using 80% recycled titanium, the highest ever for iPhone. There are 4 stunning colors to choose from: space black, cloud white, light gold, and sky blue.